When you produce right the first time, when you produce more with the same resources, you are using less resources. That is the help of Delmi Appraisal in sustainability for the operations. Electrolux Group, we are producing home appliances like washing machines, cookers, and refrigeration.
We want a solution that can cope with logistics, quality, production, maintenance. This was something that Delmi Appraisal offered.
Delmi Appraisal, it's a good partner helping us to improve our quality, our productivity, and our sustainability, so you can produce more using less resources. You're getting benefits on that here in our Curitiba plant mainly, where you have more than 2,000 different molds managed at the past manually and now automatically. This could improve productivity in more than 6%, generating important savings to us in Latin America.
Delmi Appraisal is helping us in sustainability. They provide us real-time data on what's happening in the factory, in the processes, so we can see if there is a waste and we can really act on it preventively.
Como as telas, dashboards ficam bem visíveis para nós na produção,
With the dashboards clearly visible to us in production, we can monitor quality and production in real time. So there's no delay. I know in real time if the line is stopped or not, if production is negative or not, if quality is good or not.
A produção se não tá, se a qualidade está indo bem ou não.
Appraisal will be our base in order to transform our factory.
If we implement this in all the plants, we have a lot of benefits in terms of scalability, because we can have one team supporting one solution for all the sites.
We have the confidence in the system. It does everything we need it to do. It's at the heart for our largest factories.
We are selling more, better cost, delivering more in a market that is growing like crazy. That's really fantastic.